Okay, so for this video, we're going to be looking at the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Turbo Red Ranger. So you see the front of it here, what you got, and the side has the Turbo Rangers logo, as you can see there. And it says Turbo Red Ranger. Look on the other side, and there is the artwork. And Power Rangers Turbo logo there. And so we look at the back, and you can see the figure there. And look up here, we can see all the stuff. So we got, there's TJ, and tells you how tall it is. And you see the hands, the lightning effect piece, the weapons, and the helmet. And down there it tells you TJ Johnson Turbo Red Ranger. There's all your stuff on there. There's the barcode, and there's the bottom of the bag. Or bottom of the box, sorry. And so, let's get it open and find out what we got. Oh. That's gonna be... There we go. And get it lined up here. Okay. So, I'll take the Ranger out first. I'll get a look at it. And here is TJ. So, there is TJ's head. And then you see, do you focus? It's on his arms, on the front, and then the other side. And there's on the back, and the front legs, and down there, and there. Oh, and get it lined up. Okay, so let's see. Range of motion on the head. That's about as far as it gets. Now we got butterfly joints. Yeah, they're pretty good. T-pose. Is pretty good. Okay, I'll put those down. Let's see what we got as far as elbows here. Now that's pretty solid. Wrist art, yeah, we got the... Oh, that is tight. Let's see if it's that way on the other one. Oh, maybe those don't move. Okay, so we got wrist articulation is... Oh, very tight. Up and down. Okay. It goes up pretty well, but going down is a different problem there. And then it looks like it's not, not up and down, back and forth. This one's up and down. Alright, now we got articulation there. What about ab crunch? Okay. We've got sort of good that way. Front is none at all. Very little. So, let's see what we have in the way of that there. So, almost the Van Damme split all the way. And there's articulation in the thigh swivel. Then we got pretty good there. Good there. We got no articulation there. So let's try ankle pivot. Yep. Up and down, and then up and down. Okay. So that's the look at TJ there. Let's see what we got as far as accessories go. Let me move back a little bit. So take the accessories out. Box over there. So take this out. And we've got... Oh. Okay, that doesn't come out the way I thought. I forgot. You have to open it. Okay. Everything needs to come out. And... Oh. The hand's in his head. Can you believe that? It's in the Ranger helmet. That's the way it was packaged, I guess. That's weird. So, we have his power sword. Let's see if we can get it to focus. So there's the power sword there. Come on, focus. Okay. There we go. All right. There's the other sword. The little logo there. And then all that there. That's his secondary weapon. And we have the turbo blaster. There's his lightning effect. Here's his closed fist hand. And his other gripping hand right there. And here's his Ranger helmet. Okay, and let's see if we get the head off. Oh, okay. Sorry. I will be. Some of the accessories. Some of the accessories fell down, and it also knocked my camera over. I'm terribly sorry about that. So, we got the Ranger head off. Let's put his helmet on. There we go. So there he is with his helmet. Let's give him his other hands and see what that's like. So there's that hand. See how easy they come off. Oh, not too easy. So there's his other grip hand. So I can get a shot of him with both his grip hands there. So there's that way. Let's take this hand off. I have his other fist hand. So then there he is that way with the grip hand on this side and the fist hand on that side. So you're going to see him with both fists. I put this there. So there he is with that. Okay. Now you want to see him with his weapons in his hands. We'll take these hands out. Oop. Don't go away. There we go. Alright, so put that sword. Okay, this is going to be a problem. Ooh, it is bending and not wanting to go in at all. Let's try this hand. Come on, TJ. It's knocking over. Okay, so I got in that hand. Let's try this one and that one. I don't think I'll be able to slide it in that hand. I'll have to put it in there. Alright, so there he is with both his swords. So you can reenact that scene from the Turbo movie. Let's see. The hand like that. And then I think the other one was like this. I don't remember. I haven't watched it in a while. So there it is that way. And if you want to go this sword out, and with his blaster in this hand, I don't know if his finger's going to go in the blaster, but we can try. Okay. There. Got it. His hand doesn't hold it that well. He might have to put it in the other hand. But there's the blaster in that hand. And there's his secondary sword. So I got in that hand. And this is kind of made out of, I'll show you. This is made out of flimsy material because it bends pretty easily. Oh. Okay, we'll take that sword out of this hand. Let's put, I think this hand's more geared to hold it. I don't know. They look about the same. Let's try it in this hand. So, actually, that hand fitted a lot better. Alright, maybe this is the hand it was supposed to hold it in. So there's his blaster there. Of course, you can see at the end there. You want to put a blast effect in from another Power Ranger or Marvel Legend, you can get it in there. Or, I guess, a blaster effect, not blast effect. So, we can try and put the sword in this hand. You know what? Let's go with this one, because we can use the lightning effect for pretty much either one of these swords. They're made to do both. So, let me try and put his hand. There we go. So I got TJ's hand in that one, and I put it right there. And let's see if we can work with the lightning effect, however it goes on. They have it on the front of the box on the second weapon, on his secondary weapon, but or on his power weapon, I guess, his ranger weapon. I don't know what they call him, but it fits pretty well with that. So there we go. So there's TJ. Oh, I don't know if he's going to stand very well. I might have to find a figure stand to put him on if he's not going to stand up. Okay. Okay, there we go. So, I'll put the TJ head there. I'll get it over here so you can see it better. Get it there. And put the secondary, his power weapon, I guess. And then there's both the other hands. I'm going to get him in the frame here. So, I give it a pretty solid 10 out of 10. I mean, it's a good figure. So far, I don't see any paint inconsistencies, but I'll have to look closer at it. Other than that, I mean, the articulation's good, except for maybe the abs. But, you know, it's Hasbro articulation, and we all know what they do. But, other than that, I mean, the other hands went on pretty well. The Ranger head from the civilian head wasn't that bad in putting it on. And once you figure out which hands the weapons go in, they fit pretty good. So, I'm going to give it a solid 10 out of 10. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that little thumb button. Please subscribe, because right now I'm just trying to reach maybe at least 100. I don't know how far I am off from that, but If you want to follow or if you want to subscribe, go ahead, and I'll be back with another one. Thanks.